Hi, so for this one, I will be showing how to work on Google Sheets in your phone, okay, or on tablet devices or anything. Sometimes the template is already given, so you can just look for it from your files, okay, or you may start from a new file, okay. So when you are about to start a new file, you can just press on the cell and then enter what you need to enter there. Okay, like for example, the top 10 movies. You can try it. Okay, like that. Okay, you can even sort. So you have your input. And if you want to add another one, okay, you can add a link, a chart, a column, okay, or anything, an image also, image in the cell or over cells. So you may do that. Okay, so what if you want to add another spreadsheet? Okay, you can add a spreadsheet, you can add a column. Okay, so here you can rename. So rename, let's say this will be the top 10. Okay, you can also change some tab colors. Okay, or duplicate. So this is how you will start with a calculator. So for you to start with a calculator, this will be my calculator. So press on the calculator, you can have input 1 here, operation. You can just type it in the formula bar, and then here input 2. Okay, other formatting tools will be shown at the bottom, and then your output. Okay, so please remember which cell is for whatever you need to use. So we will start with plus sign here. So this will be for plus sign. Okay. Or if the symbol is having conflict, you can just say plus or addition or add. Okay, add. So for the output, if you're going to add a formula, what you have to do is to start with an equal sign. You may just remember what cell you will be using for input 1. So input 1 is in A1. So I think it's wrong because it highlighted the A1, which is an input name. So it's A2, and then the symbol plus or operation that you need, and then so the second input is in the C, column C, row 2. So C2, and then enter, and then you will get whatever is the answer in your input in the output. So it will be reflected immediately. So you will be doing the same thing with the other operations. So you can start with subtraction. So add, subtract, okay, like that and like that. So same here, you're going to have equal sign and then select A3 if it's in the A3 minus C3 and then enter. Okay, so it works like that. It's so friendly. It's just that the appearance of your spreadsheet is different, but still it works as fine as how you work with the other program in Google. Okay, so if you're going to turn in, okay, make sure to save. Okay, you can just share and export, and then turn in our Google Classroom. You can find this in your Google Drive whenever you look for it. Okay, you can also do link sharing. So in that link sharing, you can just copy link. Okay, copy link and then turn in the link. Okay, so that's all for this. I hope that this may guide you in your activity using your tablet devices. Okay, so thank you.